Hey y'all, just a quick video to show you about my quick change foot adapter that everybody's been asking about. It's really cool. If you haven't seen one of these, you just raise your foot up, push this button, and your foot drops off. You ready to put another one on? Put it on there, push the button, there you go. I mean, it can't be any simpler than that. But I just want to show you the correct way to install this. So these things will come with absolutely no instructions, of course. And what you get is you get this long pin, you get this piece, and then you'll get a spring and this outer piece. Now, if you notice on this piece, see there's like a little curved area. Can you see that? That goes up against the rounded part on the back. So all you do is you take the long screw, put it in this side, and then you'll take this with this curve and put it up against the presser foot bar. Then you put your spring in, and then you put the outer piece in and put some pressure on there, because this is a pretty good spring, and just get it started. And what I do on mine is I screw it in until that bolt just starts coming out the back, because you have to push on it, so you don't want that going into your finger. There, nice and smooth. Now all you got to do is push that in, and it's ready to take another foot. How easy is that? Then you just drop it off, take another one, and push it on. It holds on, and you drop that off, take a different one, push that in, pop that up, and it's ready to go. And this will fit any high shank industrial sewing machine. This one just happens to be the Vevor, but I've got it on my 8700. And if I get another industrial, I'll put them on there, because that sure beats trying to find your screwdriver to take this screw out. So anyway, just wanted to show that to you and show you the proper way to install these. And I'll leave a link in the description where you can buy these. I think you can get like 2 or 3 of them for less than $10. I would suggest ordering on Amazon from this seller. I buy all of my stuff from them, but y'all have a great week.